Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing my craft items which all are so cheap, less than ₹40. So let's get started. Most of the items I bought from itsy.com. From this site we can buy art supplies, craft items and stationery products as well. So I got everything packed in this box. This is their site from where you can buy. First are the fabric colors. The packaging is perfectly fine and it costed me ₹20 each. Next are the paper envelopes. As per their price, they are fine in their quality. Their price is just ₹5, which is more cheaper than the price in the market, and quality is also fine. Next are the jump rings and earring hooks. They costed me ₹40. They can be used in making bracelets, earrings and etc. And they can't be found in market easily. Next are the tempera colors that we used in our schools. Again this costed me ₹20 for the both sets. Both the quality and quantity is really well. The next thing I bought are these cute tapes. This costed me each ₹6 and which is fine for their quality and quantity. Price is even less that we buy in the market. The shipping cost is around $150 on the orders less than 1500, but when I bought them the shipping was free, so it was a crazy deal. And finally are the safety pins. These are just for ₹2. For such a price, quality is so fine. Lastly is this cute diary. This I don't buy from Itsy, but it was from another site, that was Club Factory. These are sticky notepads. This costed around 100 to 120. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video then do give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.